Yes, sir.
Very good. See, generally they will write partial classification of PD means what? A into dou square u by dou x square plus B into dou square u dou x dou y, C into dou square u dou y square. Then remaining functions I will write D into something. F dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, then u of x y. So only second order only we consider is equal to 0. They will write equal some constant. So this is the, if they ask actually classification of PD means you can call A into dou square u by dou square, then B into dou square u by dou x dou y, C into dou square u by dou square. Remaining all you can know actually the second order. Where A, B, C are what? Functions of x, y or maybe constants also. Functions of x, y or maybe constants also. Don't expect always I will get function of x, always I will numbers like this. You may get constant, you may get what? Function also. But this ABC will speak lot. Now from this, how can I write? B square minus 4AC I will prepare. Less than 0 means what? This equation is called elliptic. Actually, if you do mechanical, this from the curve you will get. Okay, B square minus 4AC is equal to 0 means what? Parabolic. Greater than 0 means what? It's called hyperbolic. B square minus 4AC greater than 0 means what? Hyperbolic. One thing you can remember actually, suppose if they ask to find classification of PD means what? Some people they will end up B square minus 4AC less than equal to 0 greater than, you should not divide. You can find what is the value of B, what is the value of A, then what is the value of C, then substitute it. Then you can tell is less than 0, is equal to 0, greater than 0. Great means high, you know, greater means what? Higher value. High means what? High, hyperbolic. HH you can remember. Greater than 0 means what you will get? Hyperbole. Okay, sir, are you able to audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
High.
Yes, sir.
What? Greater means what? Higher than. Higher than means hyperbole. Is equal to means parabola. This is what? Elliptic. This actually, this already, anywhere you have studied this B square minus 4AC, any level classes, anywhere you remember? That is discriminant you got. Remember or not? B square minus 4AC is equal to 0 means what? Equal roots. Greater than 0 means what? Not equal. Then quadratic equation is studied not like that. Actually, this is different story. This I will call, this coefficient is B, this coefficient is C. Maybe A, B, C is what? Functions of X, Y, Z also. Okay, yeah. Then they will give the
Yes, sir.
problem, then we can do one by one. They will decide. Maybe you don't worry about dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, u of x comma k constant. Just always your aim is what? With who is there, u dou square u by dou x square. But dou square u by dou x square, another notation is given. What is his name? Can you anyone tell? EQRST, I told you, no. Who is R? Who is R? U is function of x, y means what? P is what? Dou u by dou x. Q is what? Dou u by dou y. R is what? Tell any one of you.
Dou square u by dou x square.
Who is the Shruti? Yeah.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
last class what happened? You missed it? Not coming, yeah? Okay, no problem. Then R, yes. Yes means what I said.
So dou u square upon dou x
Dou
dou
square
y.
u by dou y square.
R, P, Q, R, S, T. R means you said UXX. S means this fellow is what?
UXY.
Ah, very good. UXY. Or yes, this fellow T. Actually, in first year you studied something, you remember or not? RT minus S square means why? Anywhere you studied till in first semester. RT minus S square means somewhere you studied there, where till?
Sir, calculus, sir.
Where you studied? Which topic you studied? RT minus S square greater
Sir,
than.
applications of derivatives.
That is okay, yeah. Getting very like a C. In particular case, you will test here. Where you will test is RT minus S square greater than 0 means function attains what? Given function
Sir,
attains.
minimum, maximum.
Very good. RT minus S square greater than 0 means what? Function attains either maxima or minima, or is great means what? Minimum, less means maximum. You remember or not? Correct or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Less than 0 means we can't. Less than 0 means what can you say? It's a what that point names. Neither maxima nor minima is called what? Saddle point. Is equal to 0 means we can go for another method. They will set or not a first semester. So
Yes,
this is,
sir.
that's always you can remember one thing. If you read means what the lower classes always you can remember. There's a life actually. What you study in lower standards always will come with you. So these three are important. Now again all of you tell b square minus 4ac less than 0 means what? Elliptic. So there are some less means what? E I started. Is equal to 0 means what? P. First letter E. P. High means high. Greater than means what? Higher means hyperbolic. Like this you can remember. Great you can remember. Then EP is what order in alphabetical order. Less E is equal to G. P. High hyperbolic. Like this you can remember. Very very important. Maybe the 2 marks questions also they will ask. Maybe that is MCQ means what the condition they will do one problem. Find the classification of PDE or nature of PDE they may ask. Correct or not? Okay. If you want anyone write actually A into dou square with notes you can write A into dou square by dou plus B into dou square U dou x dou y, C into dou square dou y, D into remaining all functions where A, B, C are functions are constants also. There you don't expect always constants. Then you make it function also. Correct or not? This is over. We already explained. Next we go for the problems. These 2 videos also I uploaded actually for you for preparing this. You can go home and get that voice. A lot of things I will tell actually. This I'm going for problems now. Is all of you able to see the problem? Tell what is x square fxx plus 1 minus y square fyy is equal to 0. You can do sir. Open your notes and do. Note down. X square fxx plus 1 minus y square fyy is equal to 0. My y is running from where to where? Tell ya.
Minus 1 to 1.
Minus 1 to 1.
Minus 1 to 1, but 1 is included. Huh? E
No,
is
sir.
very good. E is
No,
one.
sir, not included.
But minus 1 to 1, how many points are there? Can you able to tell?
Infinite points.
Very
Infinite
good.
one.
What is your name, sir? Infinite.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, very nice here. You are very good. So don't feel actually like a 0 means what? 0.1 to 0.12 you will have infinite points. So mathematics is very strong subject. So you have infinite values actually. So my x is running from where to where?
Minus infinite to infinite.
Plus infinite. Now write slowly. Who is A here? Who is A?
X square.
Very good. Who is B? La, la, la.
0.
0.
Very good, very good. Who is C?
1 minus y square.
Okay. Slowly you can write A is equal to x square, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1 minus a square. Then you can write B square minus 4AC is equal to, don't write it like greater than 0 is equal to 0. Prepare now fast, one by one. I will run the video. Something I'm talking like a mad fellow there. Again, same story. What I said here, same thing. Correct or not? See, A is equal to x square, B is equal to 0. See, you people already use set is no problem. I don't want to stop here and go. Then I will prepare b square minus 4ac. You don't write less than 0, greater than 0. Okay, first you can prepare. Who is my b 0 minus? Who is my a x square 1 minus y square? Yes. Now only story will start, sir. Yes. Now we can give cases you can discuss. Suppose, can I give minus 1? I cannot give here minus 1. I cannot give 1 plus 1. In between minus 1 to 1, what is my 1 minus y square value? Tell. What is 1 minus y square?
Less than 1.
Hey.
So positive, sir.
So always this fellow positive. X, because of x square, x value, whatever I will do, x square positive or not.
Yes, sir.
So this fellow positive, this fellow positive. Positive into positive is what?
Positive.
But here this fellow will speak slot. Here who is there?
Minus, sir.
So total value is what?
Less than 0.
Then this equation is what? Given PD is what? B square minus 4AC.
Elliptic. Elliptic.
Elliptic. Okay. Now only story will start. My x value is running from where to where? Minus infinity. But in between one fellow is there. If you give that fellow, the whole thing will collapse. You cannot get negative value. Why? Who is that fellow? Tell.
0.
Very good. Yeah. Super. Nice. Very happy. If you give x is equal to 0, this fellow become what?
0.
Very
0.
good. So now what you will write? Case 1. If x not equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is what? Tell me. Less than 0. Given PD is what? Elliptic. Less means I forgot to see. You should tell. I don't remember all these things. Less than 0 means what? Elliptic or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So when x not equal to 0, given PD is what? Elliptic. Case 2. If x is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So given PD is what?
Parabolic.
Very good. See, the same fellow that stands in two positions depend on x. So carefully can isolate, don't attack the problem. Okay or not?
Parabolic.
Yes. Second case is parabolic. First is what? Elliptic. But you have to write case 1, case 2. So given domain, see, my values running from where to where always you can see. Otherwise, speaks spoil every problem. So here my y is running from minus 1 to y. My x is running from minus infinity. So slowly I will do. Okay, can I run a video? Already you know solution. You got it. Can I run?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, please see. Already everything we done. But if you have time with the coming, you can write one by one. You can write this all story I'm telling there. What I said here, there only I will tell. You see, 1 minus y square minus 1 I will tell. So two cases I will discuss. If x is equal to 0, what will happen? My equation tell? Parabolic.
Parabolic.
X not equal to 0 means less than 0. That is what? Given PD is what?
Elliptic.
Elliptic. You also write, take one notes and better you can write. Then one, now I want to call you on Zoom actually. I will create a waiting room. 10 members I want to call and I will check you on notes virtually. Full notes up to at least second unit I will check. From next week I will start. First 20 members, one day evening, 6 to 7 or 7 to 8 or 8 to 9 or 9 to 12 to 1 also. Be ready. I'll check the notes virtually. We have to show on the notes on screen. Because uploading is Google Drive is actually collapsing. Just you can show what you've done. So next week onwards, that also verification will be done. Okay, yeah. This is actually I prepared for numerical methods. These two videos really very useful. But, fourth semester I prepared this is. Yeah. Now come on. 10. X f x x plus fy fy y is equal to 0. My x is running from where to where?
0 to infinity.
So 0 to infinity means what is the meaning? X value is always positive.
Positive.
Y is running from,
0 to infinity.
so x also positive, y also positive. Come to the problem slowly. Can see who is x here. Sorry,
A.
A. Who is A?
X.
Who is B?
0.
Who is C?
Y.
Substitute slowly. B square minus 4ac. You can prepare fast. Given A is equal to x, B is equal to 0, C is equal to y, then I will prepare B square minus 4ac. Don't write is equal to 0 less than 0. Don't write same also something going 0 minus 4xy. Yes. Now we see x also greater than 0, y also greater than 0. This one is fully positive. Because of this minus, I will get less than 0. So given equation is what?
Elliptic, sir.
Suppose if x is equal to 0, given this, what will happen? Two cases you have to discuss.
No, sir.
Yeah. If given x is equal to 0, I am telling.
Sir,
If,
why? So 0 is not
no,
included.
no, listen. If x is equal to greater than or equal to 0 means what you will do, I am telling. No, here not given correct. Absolutely what you said. Suppose same problem if I ask x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than 0. Reaching or not? If they ask this problem, no. Okay or not?
Yes, sir.
If they ask, the equality holds means what? 0 also comes instead of that time. We can discuss two cases. When x is equal to 0, when x is not equal to 0. Correct or not? If
Yes, sir.
they are given, for this problem, no problem. I am not confused. So, like this also can think. Maybe chances are there. What are the chances? Now this problem is see. These all are how they will ask. Classify the PD, classify the PD like this ask actually. I am not writing question here. Okay. Now you see. Now who is A here?
1, sir.
1.
B,
Minus 2.
C.
0.
So you have to write whether it is there or not. Always you can mention in given equation A is equal to this fellow, B is equal to this fellow, C is equal to this fellow. Then you can prepare B square minus 4ac. But you see, he is giving domain actually x greater than 0, y greater. That won't speak here in our problem. Actually, given coefficients are constant, nothing will help. But anyway, because that equation values is given, so you don't worry. That is, it won't speak x greater than 0, y greater than 0 in particular problem. Suppose coefficients are x means that time I will think. Anyway, they have to mention domain, then only the whole problem will be completed mathematically. That's why they are deciding. Now you can write b square minus 4ac. You can prepare what you get. Tell. You tell, don't wait for me.
4, sir. Hyperbolic.
Done now, very good. Who is there actually? C0. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to what? High. High means what? Higher than means what? Great means hyperbola. Given PD is what? Hyperbolic. Over. Hyperbolic, not hyperbola. On your right. Given PD is hyperbolic, you can write. You do another 2-3 problems. Now come on. uxx minus 2uxy plus uyy. Now who is a here?
1
B,
minus 2
C.
1.
So all fellows are available. Up to now, previous problem is not only few fellows are available. Now we can see actually they are not mentioning what is x and what is y. Okay, then what you will do? No. Go. Up to where? Go Chiki. Go, right? A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to 1. Now, because here domain is what?
Sir, it's not required.
No. But if they are not given this, what you will take? Minus into plus into like this. Take it for granted. Correct or not? You don't care because if you do numerical solutions, domain required actually. Here, okay, for us not required for verification. Okay. Now, prepare b square minus 4ac. What you will get till fast?
0.
Complete, huh? Then I will run. It's a go. See that. Go. See. Chiki, Lara. Chiki. Chiki. Now you can see this problem. Who is A, who is B, who is C?
So 1, 2, and 4.
Who is A? A. Tell A is equal to 1, B
A is
equal
1,
to
B is 2, C is 4.
I don't know. I have done that much of knowledge. Clearly tell I can understand. Now prepare b square minus 4ac. What will happen? Prepare, yeah.
Less than 0 elliptical.
A.
Less than 0.
Check again. Check. Who is B? 2. Who is A? 1. Who is C? Oh, correct. Less than 0 only. Nice. 4 minus 4 is the right. What is the value? B square minus 4ac? What is the
Minus
value?
12.
Minus 12.
So,
Minus 12. Sir.
less than 0 or greater than 0?
Less than
Less
0.
than
sir.
0.
So that
Elliptical.
fellow elliptic.
Elliptic.
Guarantee they will ask this type of questions. 2 marks questions. Suppose if you turn up there, if you not turn up there, you will ask maybe for MCQ. Oh, chicken. Very bad. Go. Yes. Now, see, actually, that 2 videos you can take from numerical mathematics. Actually, that's fourth semester syllabus. Actually, 1 unit from there we done. The 2 units that is also I added in my classroom. That particular 2 units you can see enough. Then what you will do is what next is there actually wave equation. The wave equation already, as I said, is like a tape recorder. Up to first 3 steps are same. Actually, due to heavy work, I have not prepared that video. I'll prepare the video. I'll post before that next class. Then, if I start, you may get confused. Lot of things I want to tell you there. I don't want to confuse. Here, I will stop this class today. Nice work. Then, what you will do means what? Wave equations. First, I will send the videos first. Then again, I will explain from the notes. Where I want to tell you, because if you are able to view only, you can able to do, because how to substitute it. Like a 75% of problem, same story. The remaining last portion of the problem, I will go for the office. There I will tell you diagrammatically what is the wave, why it's wave, actually what is the possible solutions, what is the not possible solutions. Lot of things are there. I will do their video before the first day order class. Day order 1 class I will do. There we can meet actually. Correct or not? Now time being, I don't want to start now actually. Because there is no time actually. I need a full hour. At least anyway, next we have 2 periods, you know. There I can discuss lot of things. First actually what are the possible solutions are there. Lot of stories there. Then we can discuss. Today we are leaving actually. You can leave now. Or anyone you have doubt, we can ask actually. Stay and ask. 150 time is there, you know. 1, 2, 2. You can stay and ask. If anyone doubts are there, don't wait, don't go actually. Already 117 people are. At least today we take attendance. Computer science 1. Not there. Why people are going, living at every day, giving attendance, very bad. The members are called wait. Ask sir, if you have anyone doubts, you can ask actually. Computer science 27. It's number 27.
Yes, sir.
What is your name, sir? Where?
Abhishek.
Abhishek. Wait. Where are you? You sir, submitted a sir assignment.
Oh, sir, I forgot to do. I'll just do it.
What is this, sir? Why have you forgotten?
No, sir, I've completed the assignment. I have to just upload it.
You completed. Why not tell? Really, you can okay. You are very good boy. If you submit,
Sir, I just uploaded right now. I forgot to upload.
Close means what will happen? You only tell. Once think, I'm closing that response. What will happen till?
So I'll just do it right now.
Oh, stop. Okay. Then you can do. Then it's complete, sir. Actually, I will close. Actually, put the marks there. Remind me. Then there are some problem mistakes are there. F of x, y, z, comma like this. That if you don't confuse me, you can ask me questions are which are there. And fourth question also. X into y minus z into px into y minus z minus only all inside brackets that you can check and do ensure that. Then ECE 547. ECE 547. Not there. He entered when I called. He left actually. One day, if you put the option to only, I will not doing that. Is a bad thing. I also doing. 555 ECE. ECE 555. Are you there? $564.
Yes, sir.
Where are your names, sir? What is your name?
Sir?
Name, what is your name?
Sudarshana Prasad.
You came and you left, you know, when I called actually. Huh?
I think I left 5 minutes before, sir, before you called.
Why?
I think there's been a power failure for the past 3 hours in my area.
Why? Where are you here from?
I'm from Madurai.
Madurai, there is no current power problem. No, why? For you only coming power problem. 3
Yes,
hours.
sir. Because like my home is in a suburban area, sir, and it's been raining here quite heavily for the past like 1 week, sir.
That is okay. But when I said after completing the unit 1, you said I told you to submit. But up to now, what happened? Current power problem can you have when you are received, you can do. You know why are not doing? Tell me. What is the problem?
I wasn't saying that for the assignments. I was saying for the thing.
No, that's okay.
For my network problem.
Normally, I'm asking when you will submit.
I'll submit before Monday.
Hey, before Monday, up to now, what you will do? Not yet started. You have to start. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Confirm Monday.
Yes, sir. Before Monday. I'll submit like within Sunday.
Confirm.
Yes, sir.
547 already talked with me, no? 547 talked. Then 555, 555. Who is 555? Triple five is there. Sir, can I leave? 50. Chintala Aditya, what happened? Wait, sir, class time is today. Ajil Barka. What Aditya tell me? 555, 555. Anyone is there in easy? What is name 555? Help me. 555 name.
Konet Kumar, sir.
Konet Kumar. What happened? This Gaddam Krishna talked actually. This is what? See Sudarshana Prasad. Sudarshana Prasad, what happened?
I just talked to you, sir.
Sorry. I'm actually old fellow, I forget it actually, no problem. 564, you said actually Madurai candidate, no? Yes. Konet Kumar, who is Konet Kumar? Where? Not there. 547 also talked with you, I think so. Right. That notes is posted, sir. Group already in Facebook group is there, Dr. Bapuji and kids. From there you can download, full unit is there. Like this, every unit I will post before the class. But now you don't open the notes. Humble request. Once if I complete the classes, what topic I'm doing, just with the pencil you can take that particular notes that you can read. If you have too much of time, remaining problems you can do. What I'm doing this, you can concentrate time being. Once if you are being master in this field, but remaining all in this field, very easy. Getting or not? Say yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Now you people leave today. We are leaving earlier because next class 2 hours come earlier. We have a lot of things. You can leave now.